Manure and fertilizers are both used to improve soil health and boost plant growth, but they come from different sources and have distinct characteristics. Understanding their differences can help farmers and gardeners choose the right option for their soil and crops. 10 differences between manure and fertilizers. 1. Source. Manure is made from natural organic matter like animal waste, while fertilizers are chemically manufactured or mined minerals. 2. Nutrient content. Manure contains lower, slow-releasing nutrients, while fertilizers provide a concentrated and immediate supply of nutrients. 3. Organic versus synthetic. Manure is organic and contributes to soil's organic matter, whereas fertilizers are often synthetic and do not add organic material to the soil. 4. Effect on soil structure. Manure improves soil structure by adding organic matter, while fertilizers do not directly improve soil structure. 5. Cost. Manure is generally cheaper and often available locally, whereas fertilizers can be more expensive due to processing and packaging. 6. Nutrient variety. Manure contains a broader variety of nutrients, while fertilizers are often targeted to supply specific nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. 7. Environmental impact. Manure is eco-friendly and helps to recycle farm waste, whereas fertilizers can contribute to water pollution through runoff if not applied properly. 8. Microbial activity. Manure encourages microbial activity in the soil, while fertilizers do not have a significant impact on soil microorganisms. 9. Odor. Manure often has a strong smell due to its organic nature, while fertilizers are usually odorless or have a chemical scent. 10. Application method. Manure is typically applied in large quantities over a longer time to improve soil gradually, whereas fertilizers are applied in precise amounts for quick results.